Hi guys, today I'm doing a super quick but super fun experiment. I'm going to be making snow. Since we didn't get any snow this winter, I'm going to make my own. The snow I'm going to be making requires just 2 ingredients, water and a little bit of sodium polyacrylate. So I'm going to pour 1 full bottle of sodium polyacrylate into the cup. Now I'm going to fill the rest of the cup with water. The sodium polyacrylate rapidly absorbs all the water, turning it into a heap of fluffy white snow. How can a meagre pinch of white powder consume a whole cup of water? The answer lies at the molecular level. Water molecules have a tendency to stick to each other, hydrogen to oxygen. In regular water, these bonds aren't super strong. Meanwhile, the sodium polyacrylate granules are made of sodium particles, NaN ions, and extremely long polyacrylate chains. Each group contains an enormous number of COO- groups. Not only do water molecules cling strongly to these groups, but other water molecules make stronger connections to the ones bound to COO- groups. This results in a whole bunch of water molecules attaching firmly to a single COO- group. A single polyacrylate chain can hold 200 to 300 times its weight in water, which means that a few grams of dry sodium polyacrylate can capture a whole cup of water easily. This could be an ASMR. It's cold. It would be cold. And there you have it, snow. Now to go build a snowman in the garden. Remember, be safe, be sassy, be you. I've said it 3.
Got snow on my finger. I have made a snow.
With water and something called sodium polyacrylate. It's raining snow.
Get snow in you. You get snow in you.
I know. It's snowing.
Ah, you get snow in you. Put snow on me. Oh!
My hands are doing a snow angel. Because you can't do it, so my hand can do it. Oh, what about 2 fingers?
Yeah.
2 fingers would be nice.